UNS is a design and consulting firm dedicated to challenging conventions, exploring advanced technologies and continuously pushing creative boundaries to address real-world challenges. The SONATA project is one exciting adventure for UNS. Global research projects like this are essential to what we do, and that's why SONATA felt like such a natural fit for the team.
Research and innovation is at the core of what we do here at UNS. It's not just about solving today's challenges, but also preparing for tomorrow's opportunities. For us, this approach supports our mission to create healthier, more sustainable and future-ready environments. Over the past decade, we've seen the workplace, in fact, the very idea of the workplace, change drastically. They are complex and constantly evolving, influenced by a multitude of factors, some physical, but many ephemeral. Add to that the diversity of cultural nuances, technological shifts and geographical needs, and the challenge is huge. These initiatives, combined with our in-house experimentation and real-world application, provide a methodical framework to tackle challenges of this nature. Joining gave us the chance to collaborate with top academic and industry partners, harnessing a wide spread of cutting-edge knowledge and insights. SONATA, like all our research work, isn't just a standalone project. Here, it is the chance to lead the way in shaping the future of work.
UNS is leading the design efforts for SONATA, bringing our unique perspective on how architecture and design can truly transform lives. Our focus is on reimagining workplace environments, creating spaces that adapt to people rather than expecting people to adapt to their surroundings. It's about designing environments that are not just functional, but that embrace adaptive technologies and actively enhance productivity. By analyzing the needs of modern offices, everything from layouts to also how people interact with their surroundings, we are taking an approach that blends insights from behavioral science, environmental conditions, and user experience. Our ultimate goal is to create spaces that are dynamic, inclusive, and sustainable. It's all about putting the human experience at the center and setting new standards for how workplaces can achieve. We're also shaping the methodologies to measure the impact of these environments, making sure the solutions we develop are backed by evidence and deliver real benefits. This includes addressing the needs of diverse groups like aging workers or those recovering from health challenges. In the end, it's about building spaces that truly matter, spaces that make a difference in people's lives.
UNS has been actively engaged in the design and coordination of SONATA since its inception, leveraging its expertise in architecture and workplace innovation. We have so far designed a modular structure that acts as the backbone for integrating all of SONATA's components. It's a system that brings flexibility and functionality to a wide range of workplace scenarios, ensuring everything works together seamlessly. But we also developed custom furniture and equipment like the mobile partition wall, which allows spaces to adapt dynamically to different user needs. To make these designs a reality, we started conversations with furniture manufacturers working towards creating an office environment that's not only adaptable, but also inclusive and centered around the people who use it. On top of the physical designs, we've done deep research into office typologies, exploring how different layouts and configurations can impact health, well-being, and productivity. We've also contributed to the digital twin system by generating a variety of layouts for adaptive design. This gives us a strong foundation to test and refine SONATA's innovative ideas while ensuring they're ready to meet the work challenges of the modern workplace.
Now we are about to move from lab studies to field studies, where we'll test the long-term impact of adaptive technologies in real-world settings. This means putting our designs to the test in a variety of workplace environments to see how they perform over time. From there, we'll focus on pulling together findings from these studies to create practical recommendations for key stakeholders like architects, occupational health experts, and technology manufacturers. These recommendations will tackle important factors like cost-effectiveness, sustainability, and equitable implementation, making sure the benefits of adaptive technologies are accessible to as many people as possible. At the same time, UNS will continue to lead the design efforts, refining our concepts based on what we learn during the evaluation phases. Our goal is to help shape smarter, more user-centered work environments that raise the bar for workplace design.